Hey guys, it's Ryan from RPI Designs here again, and today we're going to show you the installation of our Akrapovic Evolution exhaust system. They also have a slip-on exhaust system. The Evolution is their full exhaust system. So Stratton Chevrolet, thank you so much for letting us come out and videotape this. It was a great experience to see the stock Z06 system get replaced by this brand new 100% titanium exhaust system with carbon fiber tips. Is a beautiful system. If you switch this out from your stock exhaust to the Akrapovic, you're about taking off about 20 pounds plus of total weight of your car. It's a great system. In this video, we're gonna show you a dash cam of us with a sound clip of us driving. We try to capture the sound as best as we can. It's a great sounding system. And then a few pictures, and then we'll show you the installation of this awesome exhaust system by Akrapovic. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and get all your aftermarket needs for Corvettes, Camaros, Mustangs, or Challengers at rpidesigns.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.